So 95 M104. There's a nut right there that connects to the EGR tube. I just took a 19, and it's kind of tricky to get it in there, and you can only move it like that far. Then you turn around, then you can do it again, and it's only maybe 2 or 3 turns, and then it gets hand loose. Then you can back it off by hand the rest of the way, or use your wrench to help you on that part. So then we'll move on to the other side, which is actually underneath. So what I've done is I've put my feet going that way. I just lay under the car. Car's jacked up, right? And I have a ratcheting open end 10. Doesn't have to be a swivel, I don't think, but nevertheless. And the EGR tube on this side, your reference point is that red little boot right there. So if you can find the red boot, you know the EGR tube is very close by. Take your right. There, those are the 2 nuts. So I was just going up here with that open end 10, placing that. I don't know if I can film it. There you go, now you can see it. I was just going up there and placing that right on these and go kink, and then breaking those loose. Now they're actually turning by hand already. See that? Then I'll have to maybe pause the video. The last part to make that tube move a little bit is this little fastener right here. So that's the tube. Oh, you can see this fastener right here, that little one, that little gold thing. The EGR tube. Oh, you can see the tube. Yeah, it's right there. There's the tube. You can loosen that with a hex key, and that allows that tube to move around a lot. So those are the 3 points that you remove the tube from. Or if you scrape it out on this side, scrape it out from the other side, or like he's saying in the video, you know, putting speedometer cable or wire through this side to rotor root it and spray carb cleaner and all that stuff. The EGR valve has to be removed. You can just take this thing and just move it some. The reason it's able to be moved this way is because of that thing is disconnected. It lets it float some. So that's how I ended up cleaning out mine. So now that I have those off, we look in from this side. The gasket's kind of stuck there. You can see that. Look at that. It's completely clogged. So I want to rotor that out and blast it out from that side and see what we got. Oh my god, it's so clogged.